NIL-Tech 36-piece fineliner and brush pen art set arrives in a beautiful box. Isn't it ready for a gift? Just amazing. All NIL-Tech products come packaged ready for you to gift it. Here we go. Wrapping paper. Inside you will find a welcoming package along with information how to find product guide and access to the resources such as step-by-step drawing tutorial, a digital library. Comes with every NIL-Tech product. So let's check out the set itself. Beautifully zippered case, very well made. The design itself is a work of art. We get lots of questions. Can we color it in? Absolutely. Just make sure you use permanent markers to do so it actually stays. Okay, let's check it out inside. Number one feature for traveling is your handle that you can take it out. You can hang it on your backpack. You could just carry it. It comes packaged for safety, of course. Inside we will find, and we'll start with the fine liners of different sizes. We also have chisel tip calligraphy. Let's compare the two. We'll take the number 8 fine liner, which is the thickest one. Beautiful rounded tip. Hand lettering, writing, drawing. And this is a chisel tip specifically made for calligraphy. You get 3 calligraphy pens of different sizes. The one you saw was the biggest one. We also have 2 and 3. You'll get a white gel pen and a mechanical pencil. This is a fan favorite, just beautiful. In the back, you'll find the ruler, and it looks like a pencil itself. Very super easy. Just press the thing. There you go. Okay. Of course, you'll get a box of replacement leads. We don't want you to run out. Awesome. Okay, on the other side, we'll find 16 brush pens. They are water-based and they are also dual tip. Let's take a look together. We'll grab the nice bright pink one side, and it will tell you which side is which. This side is a brush pen. Beautiful brush. Okay. And on the other side, we'll find the little pin side. It will even tell you the size. Check it out, 0.8. Beautiful, beautiful for drawing, coloring, doing any type of detailed work, hand lettering. Okay. We'll also find a cool ruler. It's a triangular ruler. Clear, beautiful. If you're looking to do journaling, organizing, bullet journaling especially, this will come super handy. Okay, last but not least, you'll also get a travel sketch pad, 16 pages, beautiful white paper, just to start testing it out and get it ready. The set comes ready to use, no setup necessary. And if you're a beginner or you're not sure what to do, look for your welcome packet. Register for the library. Go check out the step-by-step drawing tutorials. Those resources are there for you. Thank you for watching.